Hello. Today we're diving into a topic that affects every single woman, whether you're in your teens, 20s, 40s, or beyond. Hormone health. If you've ever wondered why your mood swings, your skin breaks out, or your energy crashes at 3 p.m., this one's for you. I know your first thought. What does this guy know about hormones? Well, I've been studying hormones both for men and women for 10 years now. I just want to pass on some of that knowledge and try to help others. So let's talk about what your hormones are doing and how you can support them. So what are hormones exactly? Hormones are chemical messengers made by glands in your endocrine system. They travel through your bloodstream telling your organs and tissue what to do and when to do it. For women, some of the most important hormones include estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, yeah, women have that too, cortisol, the stress hormone, insulin, thyroid hormones, and these all work together to regulate your mood, metabolism, sleep, menstrual cycle, libido, skin health, energy levels, and the list goes on. So now let's talk about what happens when things get a little off balance, which is more common than you think. So here are some signs your hormones might need a little attention. Irregular or painful periods, mood swings or anxiety, fatigue or low energy, weight gain, especially around the belly, trouble sleeping, adult acne, low sex drive, brain fog, hair thinning, or loss. These symptoms are your body's way of saying, hey, something's up. Hormonal imbalances can be caused by things like stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, over-exercising, under-eating, birth control, or medical conditions like PCOS or thyroid disorders. Women's hormones are constantly shifting, and that's normal. Let's take a quick look at what happens during key life stages. Puberty. Estrogen and progesterone kick in. Periods begin. Mood swings are common. Reproductive years, 20s to early 40s. Hormones fluctuate with your monthly cycle, pregnancy, birth control, and lifestyle habits all impact hormonal balance. Premenopause. This is in your mid-30s to 50s. This is the traditional phase before menopause. Periods become irregular and symptoms like hot flashes, insomnia, and mood changes appear. Menopause, usually 45 to 55. Ovaries stop releasing eggs, periods stop, and estrogen levels drop significantly. This can lead to symptoms like vaginal dryness, joint pain, and memory issues. Okay, so how can we keep our hormones healthy? Here are 5 powerful ways to support your hormone health. Eat a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. Focus on whole foods, leafy greens, healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, high-quality proteins, fiber-rich carbs, veggies like broccoli and kale. Help the liver detox excess estrogen. Balance blood sugar. Avoid blood sugar spikes by eating regular meals, combining carbs with protein and fat, and cutting back on refined sugars. This keeps insulin and your mood in check. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which can throw off your entire hormonal system. Try meditation, journaling, deep breathing, or just unplugging from screens for a while. Prioritize your sleep. Your body repairs and balances hormones while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and keep your bedroom cool, dark, and tech-free. Move your body, but don't overdo it. Exercise helps regulate hormones, but too much intense cardio can spike cortisol. Mix strength training, yoga, walking, or dancing into your routine. Sometimes lifestyle changes aren't enough, and that's okay. If your symptoms are severe, persistent, or affecting your quality of life, it's time to check with a doctor. They might recommend hormone testing through blood, saliva, or urine. To see what's really going on, conditions like PCOS, thyroid disorders, or early menopause are medical issues that need proper care. Don't tough it out alone. Your health and your lifestyle is worth it. Hormones can be tricky, but understanding them gives you power. And if this video helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips every week. Until next time, take care of your body, listen to its signals, and let's get healthy.